Charts allow you to show people your information in an easy to understand way. You may have spent a lot of time with your calculations and your research, but if you can't show your outputs and show your findings in a clear and concise way, it's going to be a lot harder to convince others of your story. You can insert a chart by selecting your data range and then going to Insert and then Charts. You can pick from these different options, such as a column or bar chart, or a line chart, or a pie chart, or use this recommended charts option. So for now, this is data over time. I think a line chart would look nice. There we go. And now you have a chart. It's important to have all of your data selected before you insert the chart. Here we would have row titles included, which will be the names for this series will be called revenue, and this series will be costs. And then these will be on our horizontal axis, and these will be the dates in our chart. You can alternatively just select your data and insert a chart, but then you'd have to edit and name your horizontal axis and your data series following that, using that data. But this can also work. You can change what data is shown on your chart by right-clicking on it and selecting Select Data. Now you can change the kind of source data range by clicking here and say, I just want to show this, for example, and that will update things automatically. But if we go back to our full data range, you can also edit each data series here on the left. So if I wanted to change one of these, I could just click on it once and then choose Edit. I can change the series name. Let's name that based on its name. Oh, sorry, it already had that one. I can change the values. If for some reason I wanted to use these as the units sold, we could just use those. And that's how you edit your actual data series. So let's delete that one since I put it on the wrong information. And an important one here is that you need to, if you ever need to change the horizontal axis, so what will be on your here where these dates are, we can just select that, and that can sometimes be a tricky one. But let's say we just wanted to number the months. You edit the horizontal axis here, and that's going to apply to all of these. You can also easily change the data in your chart by clicking on the chart and then using these colored ranges. So let's say I don't want to show units sold, I can just drag that in. Or if I wanted to just show revenue, or if I wanted to move it all together and just show units sold,